Alright guys, in this video I want to show you a couple things when dealing with our rubric. So I'm going to bring that over so I can show you what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys should be able to handle this part here by yourselves. I'm going to show you some transitions. I'm going to show you using PIP, which is very important. I'm going to show you once again how to post this project. And I'm going to cut it off with just that. So the first thing that you need to do is once you have your project in, let's go and make sure that we have some transitions in between because we need 4 of them. So you place a transition in like this, you're going to notice that maybe this clip here got a little bit smushed down. If that's the case, you can bring your transition over and then test it and see if that's how you want it. And see how I have that transition in there. I can add another one on the other side of it, and you'll see again it smushed it again on me. With that being said, I just come back over to this part here. And I'll undo that one. Sometimes it's better if you go and actually place a cut. Looks like they have one in there. I just don't want to lose so much of it. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just try it one more time. And then I'll just have to drag it out a little bit until I see it. There it is. Now I should be able to make it smaller again and have it work for me. Remember, you can always drag this thing out and farther so you can get a better view of your clips. That's why I suggest doing this one instead of this one, because on this one it's a little bit more difficult. You can plop them in like that. Maybe it actually might be a little easier for you. But there's no way of cutting up the clip. So if you wanted to cut it, for example, if we go back to here, and we'll see how I got these in here. Let's say, for example, if I wanted to slice this clip right here. You can only slice it if you are actually in the clip like this. You're able to slice it. But I'm not sure if they allow you to do it here with this. Oh, yes they do. Nice. Okay, so you could do it that way if you would like. I've been so used to doing it this way because I just like the way it feels for me. If it feels okay for you the other way, then do it your way, you know? Do it the way it makes you, do it the way it's easier for you. So I just did there was I put that star in between these two guys. So now if I go from the beginning here and play it, you'll see where there's a transition there. Another one. There's my other. And that was the other one was kind of quick. So now what I want to show you is how to do the picture-in-picture. So we've got to go and get one. So we've got to minimize this, and we're going to go to Chrome, and I got to find one. Oh, Chrome's down here. It's saying I'm open. So we go here to get one, and I'm going to get a circus tent. And I just need an image. Now remember, sometimes the images will come up and they're not going to be exactly what you need. You might get a GIF or you might get a PNG. Don't worry about it. Just click on the picture that you want. Right click. Save image as. And I'm going to put mine on my desktop just so I can grab it really quick for you guys. And right here all you're going to do is type in tent, and I'm going to put down JPEG. You guys will be putting it into your folder. Remember, if you don't have everything in your folder, it's going to mess everything up. So you want to make sure you have it in your folder. What I suggest doing is when you see me doing these videos, I suggest that you guys actually work along with me because it will be so much easier for you to do it that way. Now I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go get a picture from my desktop. So I have that a switch here, go to desktop, there's my tent, and I'm going to take that tent there and I'm going to put it right here in this clip, and I'm going to make it smaller so it pops up in this area here. So to do that, I'm going to double click on the tent, come over to this guy right here. Now don't hit this button here. Okay, that's our green screen. It will mess everything up. So look what happens when I go to move it. See how I can move it in there? I also can change the size of it. If I highlight right here or go over top of it, I can change the size. Change the size this way. Okay, I can have it so during the clip, like say for example, if they're moving, I can move it. Okay, so now once I've done that, it should go and do that. You see how it's in that new spot? So that's how you do picture in picture and how you do your inserting of your clips. Again, I want you to have 4 of those. So what we'll do now is we'll make the video. To make this video, you have to go and choose make video. The one thing I didn't show you guys before, and I think that maybe you guys might want to see it, is actually putting text in. So to get text, and I'll show you that now, you just click here and you can drop it right in front. You also can go and take text and put it down here, and you can put it right there. Double click on that and you can make text smaller and also move it so it's out of the way of the image. See how I did that there? Alright, so let's make this movie. So we'll go to make movie. I'm going to choose MPEG 2. I'm going to make sure I know where it's going by going up to here. I want to make sure it's going into my folder. And once you are done with that, you're going to hit create file. That is all you have to do. So I'm going to go for right now, I'm going to put this right here into my desktop and then just go ahead and create it. Once you've done that, all you got to do is post it. And by posting it, all you have to do really is just grab it and drop it in. Good luck, and I hope this helped you out.